Peace, everybody. It's the grand scheme of crypto. Now, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but Fantom. If you don't have any FTM, I would be, I'm looking to grab some. So I'm looking at FTM. I'm looking to grab some FTM. That's just me personally. And, yeah, it's extremely undervalued. As you can see here, we have some huge news. Binance.us, which is a US-based exchange, will list Fantom. So deposits are already open. And as you can see, let's take a quick look at what Fantom is. The price is still, it's only $1.47. It's pumped. It's I believe it's up. The low was $1.25, so it's up a good amount if you manage to catch that dip. And just to take a look at what Fantom is, it's an ecosystem. If you're familiar with ETH, it's a very cheaper alternative ecosystem to ETH as far as gas fees are concerned. And it's a little bit more to it than that, but that's just my simple, quick version. But Fantom is a new DAG-based smart contract platform that intends to solve the scalability issues of existing public distributed ledger technologies. The platform intends to distinguish itself from the traditional block ledger-based storage infrastructure by attempting to employ an improved version of existing DAG-based protocols. The Fantom platform adopts a new protocol known as the Lachesis protocol to maintain consensus. This protocol is intended to be integrated into the Fantom Opera chain. The aim is to allow applications built on top of the Fantom Opera chain to enjoy instant transactions and near zero transaction costs for all users. The mission of Fantom is to provide compatibility between all transaction bodies around the world and create an ecosystem which allows real-time transactions and data sharing with low cost. And you can get Fantom on OKEx, Crypto.com, Gates.io, as well as Binance.us. So it's $1.50. This is the ROI for the year. It's almost 5,000%, I believe. Is that for the year? All-time high, all-time low. Yeah, so I think that's for the year. And this is all time since 2020, 77,000%. So that's, if you would have bought this 2 years ago, that's, you can pretty much do the math on that. And also just to take a look at the charts on Fantom. I did do a chart on Fantom, and I kind of made a small channel here because this is where I was going to take a trade up to about wherever it was, pretty much up to the moon. And I still hold Fantom, so I'm pretty much just accumulating more with this dip. But as you can see, these are my lines right here that I previously had, and as you can see, I respected these lines fairly well. It kind of just bounced right there. And so I think that was the low right there as far as for right now, and that it should just keep pushing up here to maybe set a new high as long as Bitcoin behaves and continues to push up from here. But we could see a further dip, and we could see Fantom dip right along with it. So you never know. Keep your eyes peeled. If we lose this level, then we definitely could see a further dip back down to about $1.25 and maybe lower. To be honest, I haven't taken a look. So maybe $1, maybe $1.10. I would say, in my opinion, at the lowest. I hope if Bitcoin does dip a little bit lower, but we'll see what happens. I won't draw a line right there. But yeah, so that's pretty much my analysis and my opinion and my thoughts on Fantom right now. I'm buying a lot. I'm buying a lot more, and it's also very cheap to try to use as far as exchanging the different Fantom tokens. And yeah, guys, just as far as the gas fees as well. So yeah, guys, check out Fantom if you haven't. Check out my Patreon if you have it, where I've been talking about Fantom nonstop on my chat and pretty much on my Patreon. Always remember, money is spiritual. Also, always remember that you can do anything. It's the grand scheme of crypto. I'm out. Peace.